I have told you that the rationalization of denominator. To rationalize the denominator of an irrational number. Rationalization. When the product of two exponents is rational, then each is called the rationalizing factor of the other. As example, first 3 root 5 multiply by root 5 equal to 3 into 5, that is 15. In previous class you have read that when a root number is multiplied by itself, its root is out. Therefore, root 5 is a rationalizing factor of 3 root 5. Second, 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5 equal to 3 square minus root 5 square, that is 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Here we have applied the identity of algebra 3, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Therefore, 3 minus root 5 is a rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 5. Third is root 3 plus root 5 into root 3 minus root 5. Similarly, you have seen in the first question, using the a plus b into a minus b identity, we get minus 2. Here is the rationalizing factor of root 3 plus root 5 is root 3 minus root 5. Fourth is in exponential form, 5 to the power 2 upon 3 into 5 to the power 1 upon 3, that is 5 to the power 2 plus 1 upon 3, that is 5, 3 upon 3 cancelled equal to 5. Here we have used the formula when the exponent formula where the base are equal, the power is added. That's why 5 to the power 1 upon 3 is a rationalizing factor of 5 to the power 2 upon 3. The rationalizing factor of a to the power 1 upon n equal to a to the power 1 minus 1 upon n. This is the rationalizing factor of. यहाँ क्लास 8 में हमने बताया था कि एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म, लेकिन यहाँ ज्ञात करना है कि रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर क्या है। तो हमेशा याद रखें कि a की पावर 1 अपॉन n इक्वल टू a टू दी पावर 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन n, इसलिए लिखा कि हमेशा रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर निकालने के लिए उसी आधार पर ऑन द सेम बेस वी सब्सट्रैक्ट द गिवन एक्सपोनेंट फ्रॉम 1. The first example is 1 upon a plus b root x. This is in the form of a plus b. So its rationalizing factor is a minus b root x. Similarly, we have done first before. Here is 1 upon a plus b root x into a minus b root x upon a minus b root x. That is a minus b root x multiplied, and here a square minus b square x. A plus b root x into a minus b root x, that is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. On the same rules, here are some examples. Rationalize the denominator of the following. First, 1 upon root 3. Solution is 1 upon root 3. Denominator is root 3. So multiply and divide it by root 3. We get root 3 into 1, that is root 3. Root 3 into root 3, denominator is 3. We can write it 1 upon 3 root 3. Similarly, when the denominator is in a plus b form, we multiply it by a minus b as 1 upon root 5 plus root 2 equal to 1 upon root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 minus root 2. We get root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 square minus root 2 square. We get root 5 minus root 2 upon 5 minus 2, that is root 5 minus root 2 upon 3. And we can also write it as 1 upon 3 bracket root 5 minus root 2. Given homework will be done by the help of the given examples. That's all. Given x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Now 1 upon x equal to 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. Rationalizing the denominator, 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2 multiply by 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2, that is 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 square minus 2 root 2 square equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 9 minus 8, that is 3 minus 2 root 2. Now x plus 1 upon x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 3 minus 2 root 2 equal to 6. This is a rational number. It is a rational number. For any rational number x plus root 3, find out the nature of number x minus 1 upon x. Solution: given x equal to 2 plus root 3, with same process which I have done in question 1, 1 upon x equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Rationalizing the denominator, the denominator we get 1 upon 2 plus root 3 multiply by 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 2 square minus root 3 square, that is 2 minus root 3 upon 4 minus 3, that is 2 minus root 3. Now x minus 1 upon x equal to 2 plus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3 equal to 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3 equal to 2 root 3. It is an irrational number. For homework, I am sending you 3 questions. If x equal to 5 plus 2 root 3, then find number 1, x plus 1 upon x, number 2, x minus 1 upon x, number 3, x square plus 1 upon x square. You have also explained the solution are rational or irrational. Thanks.